it's Liz Yuille from Old Stables Crafts. Thank you for joining me again today for another Top Tip Tuesday, which I used to do regularly and I kind of got out of the habit, but let's go for it again. So, you will remember, hopefully, that on Saturday, sorry, I've just realised my grip paper's not straight. On Saturday, I did my simple stamping on Saturday, and we made this card with note cards and envelopes, the Spirited Snowmen, Memento Tuxedo Black ink and watercolour pencils. And then I showed you the stepped up version if you want to introduce blends and coloured cardstock and designer series paper with the frosted florals. And then I showed you this card, which uses the mirror technique. And I thought I would show you how that is done. So, again, Spirited Snowmen. For this, you really do need the Stamparatus. It is much, much easier. It's not impossible without, but it is much easier with the Stamparatus. I would hasten to add, and sincere apologies, I am in the middle of making, at the point of filming, I am in the middle of making my Christmas cards. So I have got a stamp already on this plate, but because we've got 2 plates, so 4 sides, it's fine. I'm just doubling up. So I've got a piece of Whisper White cardstock, which is cut at 5.5 by 3 3/4, I want to say, yes. So this is my smaller size, standard size. It's just a piece of cardstock. I just pulled something that I'd already cut. So Memento ink, just ink up your Spirited Snowmen. And might actually just pop my magnet there, just in case. Don't think I'm going to need it, but just in case. So ink up my snowman and stamp in the usual way. And there is our beautiful stamped image. Then remove that, because I don't need it for the moment. And I am bringing in our silicone mat. This is a great little tool. It's not expensive, but, and I think it gets hidden in the catalogue. It's just one of those things that it's just hidden. It's on page 213, and it's just down here in the bottom kind of corner. It's only £5.50, and it's amazing. Not only is it non-stick, it's you can use hot glue on it and it will just peel off. It's brilliant and it's great for this technique. So, pop your silicone mat into your Stamparatus. You could use acetate, but the silicone mat is brilliant for this. And then stamp your snowman and then ink him up again. And stamp it again. It's just so that it's a really well inked image. And then take your previously stamped image, turn it over, pop it into your Stamparatus and stamp. And yes, you will get an image on the back of your card, but you'll also get an image on the front. And it's an exact mirror image. Now the key is to ink it up twice, because otherwise it tends to be a little faded, which is great if you want it to be a mirror image on water, but for this technique you need it to be a solid stamp. So it's not a new technique. This has been around for a very long time, so I'm not claiming it as new, but it's just, just in case you're not aware, it's like magic. So let's bring in the card that I made, and yeah, you have love snowmen. So thank you very much indeed for watching. I hope you found that interesting and helpful. If you've got any questions or comments, please either leave a comment below, or if you want a bit more of a detailed reply, hop over to my website, which is linked immediately below in the description bar, and you'll find my email address. Just drop me a line and I'll get back to you with any answers that I can give you. If you don't already subscribe to my YouTube channel, bottom right hand corner, just click there and then you will subscribe. If you also want to get an alert for when I post a YouTube video, then on my channel, you will find next to the subscribe button a little bell, and if you click on that, you can opt to have that notification emailed to you. If you don't already sign up to my YouTube channel, sorry, my newsletter, you can do that over on my blog as well. So yeah, thank you very much indeed for watching. I do hope you found that helpful, and I look forward to seeing you again very soon. Bye!